in every practice, it all really comes down to the people who are on the top, the people who are in charge. And Dr. Trauring has had amazing doctors working with him.
And I like the synergy that's created by having so many experts all having a voice in terms of the direction and shape of my dental care.
To me, it's a bit like going to a hospital that has all of the specialists in one place that sort of work together. And it's all sort of coordinated and the care is integrated. I like that.
I totally trust this practice. I have been in situations before where I've felt that maybe there was a suggestion to do some dental work that didn't need to be done. I was delighted when I arrived and found that everything was totally upfront.
I think I've had about as much dental work as you could possibly have. I've heard many stories of people that have had terrible experiences with root canals where they have to go back, and I've never had a problem. He makes it painless, which is good for a root canal.
I know a lot of people would probably prefer to be anywhere but the dentist chair, but actually I rather look forward to it.
I happen to be terrified of drills and things like that, so one of the things that I've really been pleased by is that I never hurt.
Each of the professionals that work here is an expert in their field, and that is really, for me, the biggest advantage.
If work needs to be done, it's generally done in the same office. The specialist is there either to come talk to me when it's determined that work needs to be done, or I can simply make an appointment.
There is lots of conversation between Dr. Trauring and Dr. Bachman, between Dr. Bachman and Dr. Labib, and that, for me, that is a huge selling advantage.
This is an office that is interested in helping me and focused on helping me to take good care of my teeth.
I like to know what's happening. The dental hygienist I have now has been terrifically on top of everything. I thought I knew how to take care of my teeth, but sure enough, Lynn has given me a few tips that I think are probably very good.
They are all, in my opinion, at the top of their game, that they keep up with new changes in dental technology.
I've been going to them for 25 years. They've never let me down. They're always very responsive. I know I've called them up and said, I have an issue, and they say, come today. So they're very responsive.
We left Boston 2 years ago to move to a small community in coastal Rhode Island. And so for 2 years, my husband and I have been coming up from Rhode Island to see Dr. Trauring. We would not think of anyone else.
Everybody in my family comes here, and they don't all live in the area anymore. They've grown up and moved away, and now they come back here to be treated.
The people are lovely, the work is very good, and I have implicit trust and faith that they are doing the right thing for my teeth.
A very special place, a unique place, really.